We're about to do the walk, the stairs of hell as I call them, for Veronica's first time ever. Let's see how she enjoys this one as she completed the Monument Tower. Beautiful, gorgeous weather today. I used to take Shadow for walks in here, right down that exact trail. It's a busy, sunny, beautiful June 3rd, Saturday, 2017 in Niagara Falls, Canada today. On the Niagara Parkway, to be exact. Oh, there's the red shirt down there. You ready to go take on Devil's Hill?
No, but yeah.
We're on our way down the hill. Veronica was already cussing and swearing at the little stairs here. She didn't like these stairs right here and the stairs before because they're too spaced far apart. Do you think you can make the rest of the way?
Yeah, but it's gonna be a bitch going up. Sorry to curse, but it's the truth.
We're almost done the stairs part, and then she can walk just on dirt. Oh, oh, someone's trying to show me up. Know where they're going. Look at this. Can you believe this stuff? Alright, we will continue this video in the next... God, oh, okay, I'm going to have to hang up this phone real quick because she ain't got no time waiting for me. Captain's log, continuing our journey down the hill. We started all the way back there. We're almost down, and there's little Veronica, still rocking it. We gotta go down there now to the water. Let's continue our journey. So Veronica, what do you think of the nature scenes out here?
Beautiful, but painful. I hate it, but I love it at the same time.
It's a love-hate relationship.
Yeah.
No, we did right way. You're good.
You sure?
Yep. We had to pause the video to go through those crazy rock steps. They were no fun. Met some cool British people from Britain. And now we're almost at the water. Hi. And here goes Veronica. All by herself. Look at her go.
Creeper.
Can she do this now? She's thinking, what do I do? Way to go, babe. I'm so proud of you.
I wonder if Cece will come with you.
Maybe. She wants a challenge workout. What the? That'll be you pretty soon. Let's watch this. Is it tight? But put your hand in and make a 360 look. Yeah, enjoy that. Go with it. See how close he gets to the rapids? guy on the speakerphone talks a little bit about the history of the rapids there and says, who wants to go through it? And then everybody puts their hands up there, yeah, let's go. And he's like, sadly, we can't though. Not with this boat. Go through Devil's Pulses. Everybody hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. And then they punch it through the hole. What do you watch?
You just want to jump in.
Oh, probably. Do you see how fast the water current is moving?
Yeah. Do they have a beach here?
No.
Really?
Niagara Lake, St. Catharines, Lake Ontario. You wouldn't know this one.